It's really easy to get lost in the sauce when you're in drawdown or you're in profit, and the second guessing and the greed or the FOMO and all the things that go into that. If you had an entry right here and you pull up, this looks like a lot of profit, but it's nothing in comparison. I personally think we have a decent fall to go. So how you protect this, let that reflect that. You have an entry way up here. Figure even if it wicks up, provided you can afford it, provided your account size and plenty of other factors, I get it. Do you know what this is worth? Even if all we do is get into this, that's 7,000 pips. But as we break that, that's 15,000 pips on NAS. Better yet, scaling in multiple entries. And I'm not there saying that we're not going to grab more liquidity. I am saying easily a digestible move to this area, easy. But just try to keep it in the back of your mind. There's a lot of money to be made. So when you protect this, I'm a big advocate of scaling out of a large portion of your position. But you can re-enter, you can lock profits. You have so many options of how you do that to maybe get a bigger picture of that play. The swap fees, which I know are not appetizing, are part of it. If it costs you $7 to make 100 over and over and over again, you're still making $93. The swap fees are not your enemy.